Okay, let's talk about a metal you probably have right now, whose story is demonic.
So, how did an ore named after the devil become one of the most important metals ever?
See, for centuries, German miners cursed this stuff. They called it Kupfernickel, the devil's copper.
And get this, it wasn't just nickel. The element next door, cobalt, was named for a goblin.
But the real story of this demonic metal, well, it's literally forged in the stars.
Yeah, its nucleus is the most stable one in the entire universe, the end of the line for stars.
And its arrival on Earth was dramatic. A massive meteorite slammed right into modern-day Canada.
It wasn't until 1751 that a chemist finally proved it wasn't a curse, it was a new element.
So now that we know what it is, what do we actually use it for? Pretty much everything.
Think about your stainless steel kitchen sink. That rust-proof shine, that's thanks to nickel.
But its real superpower shows up when things get crazy hot, like inside a jet engine.
These nickel superalloys are so tough, they're grown into single crystals for turbine blades.
And that incredible strength is also why it's a key part of the batteries powering our future. Okay, but nickel has some weird secrets too. Let's start with your pocket change.
You know that US coin we call a nickel? Yeah, it's actually 75% copper. Who knew?
That's roughly how many women have the world's most common metal allergy. Any guesses?
Yep, it's an allergy to nickel itself, usually from things like inexpensive jewelry.
So, back to our mystery. How did the devil's copper become such a modern-day hero?
Well, it turns out the devil was just its unique chemistry. That's what gives it strength.
So what miners saw as a trick, science revealed as a superpower for the modern world.
So if nickel and cobalt were named for demons, what other secrets are hiding in plain sight?